The Underlord section is meant to behave like your personal assistant kind of thing, AI assistant in your work with Descript. So this has most of the AI features available in here. You have Sound Good, which refer to sound and text cleaning up. Then, Studio Sound, you know it, and removing the filler words and remove retakes and all those things and adding the chapters. I'm not sure why the chapters is here, but anyway. Then you've got the Look Good, which has all the visual effects like eye contact. This is new. The green screen, which removes your background like Zoom does. Automatic multicam if you have multiple speakers. This is the name now for the previous version that was called Active Speaker. So when you were switching the multicams in a sequence with two speakers, that was used to called Active Speaker. So if you wanted to have every person show on the screen while they're talking, that's what this is now. It's been renamed to Automatic Multicam. And then this one, it was deeply hidden in the media bin somewhere in the stock image area, generating an image, which is an AI features generative image from OpenAI using DALL-E, I think. And then you've got the repurpose option. Create clips has been improved. Highlight reel, find highlights, translation. This is new as well. Then you've got the publication features to help you draft a title and summarize and create show notes. And I use the YouTube description quite a lot. And all of these text-based functions. Then you've got the writing, brainstorm, write a script, and naturally, honestly, I don't use these too much really, and I think most users don't, and they have been put at the very bottom there. So that's the first section, the Underlord section, all to do with the AI stuff.